Alright guys, so for this right here, I'm going to show you guys a little bonus trick, something that I found kind of easy. It made it easier cutting the sides for me, just because I always had a really hard time in making everything even with cutting the sides because you're kind of moving over the shoulder. So what I do is you're going to have your client and you're going to have them sit straight with their shoulders straight, and you're going to use their shoulder kind of as like a palette or as a guide that you can use. So you're just gonna have them turn their head slightly and look up a little bit. And you're gonna comb the hair down, and I'm gonna have to wet this side again, just because I want it to be a consistent haircut. Nobody wants a lopsided haircut. So I'm gonna comb this down, and I'm going to use this as kind of my flat piece that I can use to get that length in there. Alrighty. And she does have face framing and she does have layers, so sometimes you don't always have to cut. And again, I'm going to emphasize this a lot. People's hair grows sporadically on their head. It's not always just one length. I've had people come in and their hair has literally been at an angle where one side was super long and the other side was really far up, and that can be because of breakage too. So basically with this bonus here, we're going to be using her shoulder as kind of a flat surface that I can use instead of having to move around the shoulder. And just even it up. And there's not a lot to cut on this side just because of her layers and her face framing. Alrighty. So there we go. That was kind of a little bonus for you. Kind of try to make it a little easier for you. So for the next part that we do, we are going to be double checking the haircut, making sure everything's even. So stay tuned for that, guys.